Learn how to make the best sauce for any kind of pasta with this quick recipe. This homemade meat and veggie sauce blends savory beef and hidden vegetables into a thick red sauce that clings to every noodle shape. Learn the simple steps to thickening pasta sauce naturally and packing hidden veggies into a meal that picky eaters will love. Watch until the end to master how to make the best sauce for any kind of pasta tonight. Mastering the best meat and veggie pasta sauce relies on building layers of rich, savory depth that cling perfectly to any noodle shape. Create a flavorful foundation by finely diced onions, carrots, celery, and green peppers. Browning lean ground beef with tomato paste, garlic, and dried Italian herbs directly in the pan, then stirring crushed San Marzano tomatoes alongside nutrient-dense veggies like mushrooms. Simmering the mixture low and slow for at least 30 minutes concentrates the natural sugars and creates a thick, hearty texture. This homemade pasta sauce recipe blends lean ground beef and fresh vegetables into a thick sauce optimized to stick to any kind of pasta. Whether you are dressing classic spaghetti, penne, macaroni, fettuccine, or hearty rigatoni, this versatile scratch-made sauce is the ultimate dinner recipe for quick weeknight meals and batch meal prep. Follow along to master how to make the best sauce for any kind of pasta and upgrade your family dinner routine tonight. This pasta recipe is a simple, budget-friendly dish that anyone can make at home. Packed with flavor and easy to customize, it's a perfect meal for beginners. It's flavorful, filling, and surprisingly affordable, only costing a few dollars per serving. This recipe proves that great food doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. It's simple to make and delicious for a perfect homemade dinner. Any recommended dishes or similar dishes you want to learn how to cook, just comment below. Thank you for watching my channel. Track me down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.